first of its kind in the world for underserved communities, Phasor FLIP turns craniotomy flaps about 10 times faster than G-Lee saws at under 1% the price of pneumatic drills, potentially helping save many lives. To use, place the large stopper over the narrow end of large burr drill bit. Carefully seat this bit into the quick connect, turn until it clicks and seats, and only then pull back the blue sleeve strongly, pushing the bit in further. Release the blue sleeves to lock bit in place. Adjust the drill stopper sleeve by rotating, revealing millimeter markings to estimate skull depth. Hold against the skull using at least 3 fingers, avoiding stopper rotation, and drill 1 to 3 holes in the skull. Pull back the blue sleeve and remove the large burr bit. Engage the thin footplate bit in the same manner as the large bit. Engage the metal footplate stopper by aligning metal pegs to white housing grooves, orienting the open footplate L leftward initially, then half turn to lock in. Holding in the desired direction, drill per the surgeon's discretion to create the needed flap. Utilize this unique, first-of-kind cordless electric drill to turn a flap 10 times faster than G-Lee saw and 500 times less expensive than pneumatic drills. Newer, even more sustainable Phasor versions are being explored for Africa, South America, and underserved communities elsewhere in the world. More at phazorhealth.com.